What happens when raw, unfiltered power meets cutting-edge control? What if a motorcycle could commute like a naked bike, tour like a sport bike, and sprint like a supercharged monster? This isn't a concept or a prototype, it's the 2025 Kawasaki ZH2 SE ABS. And it's built to destroy expectations. You're watching MotoMotion, where machines speak louder than words. Whether you're riding in the US, UK, Canada, or Australia, this channel is for those who live for torque, tech, and the thrill of the ride. Subscribe and let's get into something wild. The ZH2 SE ABS is more than just a motorcycle, it's the only hypernaked bike in the world with a factory-installed supercharger. Kawasaki calls it engineering excellence. We call it insanity on two wheels. Tucked inside the trellis frame is a 998 cubic centimeter supercharged inline-4 engine pushing out a monstrous 197 horsepower and 101 pound-feet of torque. Twist the throttle, and the boost kicks in like a sledgehammer wrapped in silk. The design language screams aggression. Sagome styling with sharp, muscular lines, exposed framework, and an asymmetrical ram air intake, because the supercharger doesn't just look cool, it needs to breathe. Every detail is functional, every line is fast. But don't let the raw power fool you. This 2025 SE model brings in Kawasaki's electronic Skyhook suspension from Showa. It constantly adjusts damping in real time based on the road and your riding style. Whether you're hitting corners hard or just cruising, the suspension adapts instantly to give you grip and comfort without compromise. This machine is loaded with electronics. A vivid 6.5-inch TFT screen lets you control everything: riding modes, traction control, cornering ABS, cruise control, and smartphone connectivity via Kawasaki's Rideology app. And yes, there's a bidirectional quickshifter standard. It's all about keeping you in the zone without distracting from the ride. Stopping power is just as serious. Brembo Stylema calipers bite into massive 320mm discs, giving the ZH2 SE ridiculous braking confidence. Add to that a lightweight chassis and Kawasaki's IMU-based rider assist tech, and you've got a bike that's just as smart as it is savage. Comfort hasn't been forgotten either. The upright stance gives you great visibility and rideability, while the sculpted seat offers enough support for long days in the saddle. It's a hypernaked that doesn't punish you for riding it daily. And then there's the sound. That supercharger whine rising through the revs, blending with the growl of the inline-4, it's like a jet engine strapped to a rocket. It doesn't just go fast, it sounds fast. For 2025, Kawasaki hasn't drastically changed the formula, and why would they? This bike remains a top-tier performance machine for riders who want everything in one aggressive, high-tech package. Priced around $20,000 in the US, it's not for beginners or bargain hunters. But for what it offers, it's an absolute weapon of a value. In a world where many bikes are getting quieter, cleaner, and safer, the ZH2 SE ABS stands as a reminder that motorcycles should still scare you a little. It's not subtle, it's not polite, and that's exactly why we love it. Thanks for riding with MotoMotion. If this bike revved your heart, drop a comment. Would you tame this beast or let it loose on track days and weekends? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell so you never miss what's next. Until then, ride safe, ride hard, and keep your motion loud.